What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, Hansshow, one of the leading companies in making aftermarket accessories specifically for Tesla vehicles, sent me one of the coolest accessories for my Cybertruck, the front bumper LED light bar, and it is like no other. Stay tuned and let's review it together. All right, so first thing first is packaging. Y'all know I am a stickler for packaging because I believe it's the first impression for the customer and it says a lot about your product. Hansshow really packaged their product nice, tight, and superb for customer satisfaction. This accessory is definitely the definition of big things coming in a small package. Stay tuned. Now, as we open the box to see what's in it, the first thing we notice is instructions. Hansshow, great job for sending instructions. I believe that an organization should always send instructions for their products because we, the customer, should not have to figure out how to operate your product. We are purchasing it. You know how to operate it. Show us how to operate it. So thank you, Hansshow. Outside of that, we're going to open up this bag here. It appears to have some lights and a little pry bar and a couple of little items, but we're going to open it up and see what's in it. All right, so as we spread everything out, looks like we have some wire caps, some zip ties. We got 6 lights, 6 small lights to put into the grill. We have a plastic pry, the bar. We have the wiring harness to hook into the Cybertruck. Okay, pretty simple. And we also have instructions. Nice. All right, so let's get started. So first we want to remove everything from the front because we got to take the front out. It's not a hard process, but some very simple steps, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so grab your plastic pry bar and remove these 2 plastic front pieces because we got to get to the bolts under it. With a 10mm bolt, we're going to have to undo all 4 of those screws. It's 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. And we're going to remove that windshield panel. All you got to do is snatch it out. All right, so then you're going to remove these 2 plastic quarter-turn bolts. It's 1 on one side and 1 on the other side, and you just quarter turn them and pull them on out. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and unscrew 6 bolts. You got these 2 on the left side, and then you have 2 on the right side, and then you have 2 up by the windshield. You have 1 right here, and you also have 1 on the other side right here. So go ahead and move all 6 of those bolts and also remove the windshield washer cap. All right, so one last step, and then you can take the front out, and that's unhooking the front button release. Go ahead and unplug that, and the front is ready to take out. So now that the front is detached, you can go ahead and take it out. It's fairly light, and just set it off to the side. And once you set it off to the side, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe the video. Subscribe, y'all, subscribe for more content. And let's keep the process going. So take the plastic pry bar and take the tow hook cover off. It's real simple. All you have to do is utilize the pry bar and you can pull it right on off. Now for the exciting part, and you can put those lights in any slot that you want to utilize. I use the bottom slots because I like that bottom cleaner look. But all you're doing is pushing each light into the slot that you want to utilize it in, and then the wire that's connected to the light, run it behind the grill and then back around to hook into the next light. It's real simple, and it is impossible to do wrong. Once you click it into the grill, it's like the perfect fit. It's almost like it's factory. And then take the wire, run it around the back of the grill, and you could just connect the lights as you go. As you see, I'm looking at the lights, but I'm kind of over examining the lights. It's only one of those plugs that can fit into that light. So no matter how I look at it, it's only one plug that can fit. And I was just trying to see the difference between the two. But it's only one way to plug it in. Both plugs won't fit. One plug is identical to that plug, and one plug actually goes into that plug. So I was just looking at the lights, but just connect them accordingly and just keep on going. You can actually hear the light snapping in for the perfect fit. It's almost like it's factory, but it has the perfect fit. The lights don't shake, they don't move, and it's the perfect fit for the Cybertruck. Now, grab your wiring harness, because the one piece of the wiring harness is going to hook into that last light, and all you're going to do is start from the top and run it down toward the passenger tow hook, and you'll see it in there once you fish it down. And then you just reach in there and grab the last part and connect it behind the grill. Don't forget, go behind the grill so that you can connect the light. So now it's time to connect the wires. But before you do, go inside your Cybertruck, go to safety, and go to power off. Power off your Cybertruck. There are two wires that's coming off the end of the light harness, and it's a red wire and a black wire. And all you're going to do is connect the red wire to the Cybertruck's red and blue wire. And then you're going to connect the black wire to the Cybertruck's brown and blue wire. And then once you connect those, you're going to cap them off. So again, red goes to the red and blue wire. Black goes to the blue and brown wire. And then we're going to cap them off. Now, once you connect these wires, before you put the front back in, because you're done, you want to make sure you go on your Cybertruck, go to the outlets and mods button, and then go ahead and power up the front power feed to make sure it works. And once you hit that button for the front power feed, the light should come on if you did it correctly. From that point, all you're doing is putting everything back together. All right, let's go outside and see what this thing look like at nighttime. All right, so this is the before. And we will go in and I'll show you guys how to cut it on. It's real simple. All you guys have to do is go to the outlets and mods button right here, outlets and mods. And then after that, all you're doing is clicking the button for power feed front. And let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Bright and beautiful. This thing looks amazing. Y'all make sure you tell me what you think in the comments. But also, if you want this product, which I highly recommend, this product is less than $115. And it's real simple install. Y'all check out the link in my bio in the description. Check out the link in the description if you want this product. Oh, these lights are nice. And get 20% off using my promo code, which I also have the link for that in my description also. But it's EV360. Y'all, this is, oh, it's bright. Look at it. Shining against the fence. Y'all, this is a nice feature, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe. And again, if you want this product, go ahead and go to the description. I got the link in the description for the product or any accessories with Hansshow. Y'all, this is definitely a great product. And that's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Y'all know we in this together. I wish everybody nothing but the best. And until the next video, talk to you soon.